If you love milk chocolate M&Ms, you are in the right spot. So today we are reviewing one of my favorite candies, milk chocolate M&Ms. I have been eating these ever since I was potty training, I would say, because I did get potty trained off the M&Ms, and I grew up eating this candy. I do love the peanut M&Ms, but I preferably prefer the milk chocolate M&Ms just because they're chocolatey and I do love chocolate. Comment down below your favorite candy or your favorite M&Ms. Do you prefer the peanut butter? Do you prefer the milk chocolate? Let me know down in the comments down below. If you are a excuse me, calorie person, here are the calories on the back, if you could see it. I think it said 280 calories. But I exercise like almost every day, so usually when I eat stuff like this, I exercise it off. And no, it's not a lot in here, but this is a good snack if you just want a quick snack to go. I did get these for Valentine's Day. I think I did show these in the Valentine's Day video. If you don't remember, just go back and watch the Valentine's Day video, because I believe that's where I got these for Valentine's Day. I had 3 packs, but I ate 2. And I was about to eat this one, but I was like, let me do a video on this one. So here's the close-up of the M&M packaging. These, they have orange, brown, blue, green, and yellow. So the colors again, orange, brown, blue, green, and yellow. So those are the color options that you have. And you know the difference between these M&Ms and the peanuts is because the peanuts are like this, but they're much fatter. Which I don't preferably prefer I would eat the peanut M&Ms, but there's less that come in a pack because they're just fatter. So I prefer the regular M&Ms. So we're gonna open it up. There's multiple ways you could open it up, but I'm gonna just open it up this way. Hold on. Now that I have opened them up, here's what they look like on the inside. Here's what they look like on the inside. Just little bitty M&Ms. You know, one of my favorite classic candies that I grew up on since I was a child. Let's say, hint, hint, potty training. This is the only way that I was able to get potty trained when I was younger, because key tip, I remember when I was younger, my parents was like, if you don't use the potty, you can't get an M&M. And every time I used the potty when I was younger, I got an M&M. So that's how I grew up on M&Ms. I don't care for the peanuts. I would eat them, but I don't really care for them. So we're just gonna pour a couple out. So as you can see, it's brown, green, and yellow. So I'm gonna, whoa, okay. So here's what they look like. They're so little. So they're smaller than the regular, the peanut M&Ms, because the peanut M&Ms, like I said, will be just like this, but much fatter. So we're gonna eat it. Yes. So they do taste like that milk chocolate taste. So if you are a milk chocolate lover or just a chocolate lover in general, I recommend you to get the M&Ms, preferably plain M&Ms, because they come with more versus the peanuts. You don't have to eat this all in one pack if you don't like. You can always like fold it down like this to save it, or fold it like this to save it, and then just lay it on the table like that. So you don't have to eat all this in one day if you don't want. If you would not like to, you can eat some, save it, eat the whole pack, whatever you prefer. But sometimes I end up eating the whole pack, especially if I just want like a snack and I'm not craving chips or anything. I just want like a candy type of snack. And I'm more of a candy lover anyway, because I know I don't like gum. So I'm more towards a candy lover anyway. So let me know in the comments down below. Are you a candy lover or a gum lover? Which one do you prefer more? But these are good. Let me know near you if they do have M&Ms or something similar to M&Ms. So I'm going to show you again. If I was to rate these, I would rate these a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 because I grew up eating M&Ms when I was younger. So that's why these are already rated a 10 out of 10, because I grew up eating these when I was younger. So I had, like I said, I had 3 of these. I ate 2 and then I stopped and saved this one because I was like, oh, I need to do a video on these. So that's what made me stop to do a video for these. But let me know, what are your questions or thoughts about M&Ms in the comments. If you don't have M&Ms in your country or your location, comment down below. What is your go-to favorite candy? And if you are a M&M lover, do you prefer the M&M peanuts or the plain M&Ms? Let me know down in the comments down below. If you have enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and leave your comments down below.